In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the new Cash App Tortoise card. Cash App is a full-service banking and investing app. You can also see down on the bottom of the screen, there's a card. And when you go to this, you can use this card to spend your balance. There's also a bunch of other videos on my channel that explain how to do this. If you don't have a card yet, you can just go through the process of setting up a card on this screen. If you already have a card, like you can see my card design at the top of the screen, you can scroll down and do design a new card. This is where you'll see the new Tortoise designed card. Real quick, we can scroll through the other ones: glitter, pink, mood, glow in the dark, black, white, chameleon metal, and black metal. But this is the brand new one here at the top, Tortoise. Also note that this is a collaboration with Shabuzi, and he can be seen using the card in their new short film on the Cash App YouTube page. So we can click on this. Here's a more detailed view of the design. We can even rotate this. Here's what the back will look like. You can also go into the customized card screen there at the bottom. I have a full tutorial showing how to do this as well. But basically you can put like emojis and draw on your card, put text. You can design it however you want. So yeah, there's the new Tortoise card. Pretty cool looking design from Cash App. If you want to order this, just tap the order card button at the bottom of the screen and go through the process. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.